Hello students, I am going to talk about a character sketch of Alfred Doolittle of Pygmalion by G.B. Shaw. Alfred Doolittle is one of the important characters of Pygmalion by George Bernard Shaw. Alfred Doolittle is father of Elijah Doolittle, a flower girl who sells flower in a street of London. Alfred Doolittle is a drinker. He does not take proper care of his only daughter, Elijah Doolittle. She begins to sell flower at a very younger age. She speaks Cockney speech and sells flower in a street of London. But his father is unconcerned with her at all. He does not bring up her properly. He is not bothered about her education. What he is bothered most is money for his drink, money for alcohol. Alfred Doolittle is a gregarious father, a dust man. He goes to Professor Higgins to make query about his daughter when she goes to learn a speech in the house of Professor Higgins. The cab driver tells Alfred Doolittle about the place where Professor Higgins lives, and he goes there. When he goes there, he asked Professor Higgins for money in lieu of his daughter. When Elijah Doolittle meets him, he fails to recognize his own daughter. This is the negligence of Alfred Doolittle for his daughter. Now we have only few appearances of Alfred Doolittle in the play. However, they are very significant, very important. They serve a very important dramatic purpose. I shall talk about it later. Now, Alfred Doolittle appears again in the house of Professor Higgins when Elijah Doolittle flees away from his house and goes to Mrs. Insford Hill to live there. He loves Freddie Insford Hill, son of Mrs. Insford Hill, and later she marries him and lives with him happily. When she disappears from the house of Professor Higgins, Alfred Doolittle goes to him for money. He takes money. He takes £5 from Professor Higgins, and he spends the money on drinking. Now, Professor Higgins recommends Alfred Doolittle to his close relative, saying jokingly, mockingly, that Alfred Doolittle has middle class morality. Alfred Doolittle is a very poor man. When he inherits a huge property from a close relative of Professor Higgins, he puts on the same dress, he lives in the same way like Professor Higgins. Alfred Doolittle represents the so-called middle class morality of England of the time. Higgins represents socialism and Alfred Doolittle represents the so-called morality in England. Through the portrait of Alfred Doolittle, G.B. Shaw exposes the middle class morality of England of his time. He ridicules at the middle class morality. What is middle class morality? Middle class morality means behaving and living in the same way as per the society. But Alfred Doolittle does not live according to this norm, according to this principle, even after getting a lot of wealth from a close relative of Professor Higgins. Thus, appearances of Alfred Doolittle serve a dramatic purpose in the play. In this way, though Alfred Doolittle is not a major character of the play, he plays a crucial role in the play. I think, dear students, you must have got sufficient ideas about Alfred Doolittle, the father of Elijah Doolittle. Thank you very much.